I still have a whole bunch of Monster Train videos of falter fires to watch, which I need to do that because then I could actually improve at the game. But I just had a long day of school. I'm taking 12 credits now. I get home. I just want to play the game. I'm going to play poorly, but that's okay. What was I doing? We were playing as one of these. Hellhorned Umbra. Is that what I'm playing as? I like melting so much more. But the only one I'm missing for melting... How is this arranged? Melting. We look for flames. The only one I'm missing for melting is stupid Stygian, whatever. Stygian. I don't know how to say their name. Alright. Hit the X. Standard run. Start the run. I was playing, I remember, with you and Umbra. The Umbra part doesn't really matter. I'm just fully embracing the things. What are they called? The imps. This. You. A fledgling imp. A pyre chomper. An immortal trade. All of this stuff. This is really good with imps. Because you summon lots of units, so that's just like free energy. I already have energy imps. I'm always taking this, so we might as well look. I like this. I don't think it does as much for imps. There is this. Okay. This is such a hard decision for me because both of these are good. This one's harder to use well. This is the one that I did last time. I already have so many imps. They take up one space apiece. I just like leaving them alive. Okay. Unit draft, yes. 15 pack shards. Slay. Gain damage shield. That's kind of rough. Huh. Do I care about that damage shield? A little bit. Can I build bottom floor? Probably not. Could I? Could I? Could I? If I ask could I enough, then maybe I could. I'm killing it. Let's go. Apparently, I asked could I enough times. Alright, we have space for 2. Slay, damage shield. You are a pain. Okay. Okay. Could just put down 2 train stewards. That makes sense, but then I can't fit this. This doesn't do any damage. Okay. It would do damage with the Rage Imp, but this does 10 damage, which is a good amount of damage. Attack, attack on death. So 2 imps are dying. Do I put this one down? Or do I put this one down? I don't have a good way to snipe this. I think it's this one. Is it 10 damage to you? How? Oh, you're gaining a damage shield. Okay, what we're doing is that, this. Big imp. Big-ish imp. Not really a big imp. Okay. Good stuff. You're eating that. Right. I knew that. I totally knew that. Okay. End the turn. Bam. I'm doing less damage because of the life steal? Is that why? Probably. 25 damage. Good stuff. You. Why do I even want this energy? I don't know. I just do. So this turn, God, I had lots of energy. I'm gonna have lots more energy. I don't have much room. I could put a train steward down up top. That kind of makes sense. That does make sense. That totally makes sense. You're healing. Lifesteal. One space. Ouch. You would tank a hit. That uses up this thing's life steal. Does it still gain 6 health even though you only have 1 HP? Probably. 6, 9. It's actually slightly better to put this in the second spot unless the lifesteal changes depending on the HP of the unit that it hits. Which I don't think it does. It doesn't make much of a difference, but a little bit. I could also feed a morsel. Let's see what the morsels are. To this front unit. Nope. Do I live this? 20 damage. Yeah. With like 1 hit left? 1 HP. Let's go. Easiest game in the world. Huh. I think I need this one. As usual, all 3 of these are kind of takeable. I think it would mostly be this or this. It's this. Wealthing Helper. Why even think about it? Okay, this is a tough call. I like all 3 of these. Rage. Rage is really good. But I don't really need energy. Space. Space is really good. I have lots of energy. Why wouldn't I just take this one? Bam. Talked myself into it. Now. Now. I do like self-scaling units. I don't like that this takes up lots of floor space and if I don't put it inside of something else. Damage shield is pretty good. Do I just take Crucible Warden? It needs a multi... Okay, I don't know. Now I get to go this way. Huh. Yes, I do. Crap. Crap. This would have been good with the energy rage one. And then I could have gone this way. This one's good. Alpha Fiend. I like Alpha Fiend a lot. Would I put Alpha Fiend inside of this? Could. Would I put Alpha Fiend inside of anything else? Don't know. We could have a massive Crucible Warden. Like 4 spaces. If I reroll... No. I can win this fight. Can I win it with 10 armor? Because right now I have 2 banner units, and I'd like to see more imps, which can't show up in the banner. I don't think. But the rare unit could. With spikes. With spikes and 1 HP. I don't think I get to look at this banner. I don't even know if I survive as is. Let's go. What am I doing with this? Nobody knows. I don't have a good way to kill this off. Yes, I do. It'll attack into things with spikes. Easy kill. Main strategy is buff up this single attack unit, but how does that get me kills on the rest of these? Probably should have put the train steward up here. Nah. Kill off my Alpha Fiend because I don't even know why I have that. So I can keep my damage shield. That's worth doing. You don't die. That was a mistake. That's okay. It's not a mistake that really matters. This needs to die. For that to die, I just need to kill this. You have a spell shield, doesn't matter. Bam, easy game. I guess a morsel could have done that for me too. These are both dying. Good. Crucible extension. Huh. This dies regardless, so I might as well tank the hit from this one. Right? I'm doing 75 damage because Alpha Fiend is a beast. Spikes. Ooh, I have lifesteal. Good stuff. This doesn't get me, like, anywhere near winning. That's another imp. I think I have to take Fortify here. Perils, packed more perils. Okay. What if it's the imp champion? Then I'll never find out. These are so bad. I would have liked just to reduce the cost by 1 twice. Okay. What do you got for me? Nothing of value. Do I have to sacrifice this? I think I have to put the Alpha Fiend into the Crucible Warden. How many pack shards do I want? Because I could do Spell Chain, Perils of Production. It needs the holdover for that to really do anything. I'm already at 40 pack shards. Forget that. I'm barely living right now. These are good at killing imps, at least. You take up some space. I'm getting the Ember Drain regardless, but when I place 2 units, good stuff happens. Wow, that's actually a little bit Is it tricky? No, it's not. So I can fit 2 morsels up here. How often do I need 3? Kind of often. These create space for me. It's amazing. We love to see it. Good stuff. Wonder if I should have put lifesteal on this. Just because I have a good amount of Ember and I can play these for free. Maybe I should have. Because with lifesteal, this would have stayed alive. Huh. I only have room for 2 of these up here. You have a damage shield. You gain more damage shields for eating, though. Okay. What happens? Right. I only have room for 2 of those. I knew that. Two damage. 3 damage. 3 damage. Try and keep my champion alive. With armor, it could be possible. 1 HP. 1. These kill themselves. Let's see what the morsel is first. It's not a morsel that attacks. Could put the imp down. Nah. This is a damaged shield morsel too, so it's good to feed. Need to do a little bit more damage. By which I mean a lot more damage. This unit would die. I kind of need to take these out though. This thing doesn't do that much damage. I don't have space. If I up this one's damage by 6, that doesn't do anything for me. Good thing I got the 20 health. Okay, I wanted to see that thing's HP. 45. 45 is kind of a big number. Kind of. Six HP is very helpful. Can't fit this lifesteal here. Kind of wish I could. Oh, but I could give this lifesteal. That has value. Especially if I get to place 2 units for 0 Ember. Which I don't know if I get to do. I got Perils of Production. That's good luck. How are we doing? Not very well. Why am I doing so poorly? 11 damage. Lifesteal. Huh. The rage falls off and my damage drops a little bit, but I don't think that's the main reason. I'm just wondering if I give this... I think I do just give it to this one. 162. The damage shield one has to go up here. Pretty sure I won this. This one. You attack into that. You attack into that. If I up your HP and your damage, does it change anything? I don't think it does. No. Oh, it's gonna die. No, it's not. Huh. I am not killing this. I mean, I will kill it. No, the lifesteal doesn't help because of the damage shields. Maybe I won't kill it. Okay, we're killing it. Just leave it. Call it good. So that's fun. I would like you. And now I have my whole game plan. So I want to put a Transcend Imp inside of a Transcend Imp. To do that, I need to Hellvent it. And everything else. Merchant of Steel would be nice. I could find Endless here. There is an Umbra banner. I still have to draw that card. Morsel Master. And I want to put other imps inside of themselves. Or inside of each other. Skip this. Maybe I should have taken Morsel Master. Okay, the main thing is card draw so that we can get to our crazy imp card. Right? Sounds right. I should have checked if I'm going to be able to put that inside of itself. I can right there. Crap! I only get to enhance one imp. The game hates me. So I needed to duplicate that. Oh, I could have duplicated it here. I probably should have. Huh. Okay, how do I get to my pack shards? Ooh, now I get to put it inside of itself, then duplicate it. Okay. Does that make sense? Yeah, that makes sense. So that will get me 15 plus 25. That gets me up to 80. Okay. I'm good. I don't need this gold. Adds a Queen's Impling. Okay, so the Fledgling Imp just became a little bit better. Kind of. Did it? Yeah, because if I get both, I don't know if it became better or not. I'm just going to assume that Imp Parade 3 is what I want. So now I need to survive. Spell Shield 2. Spell Shield doesn't do anything. Actually does nothing. So I have to play all of my imps. Beyond that, I don't know what I have to do. I have to stay alive. This would actually tank both hits and leave this alive. I have no idea why I would want to do that. So I'm going to kill off both units. Transcend Imp. Without much space. It's less than ideal. Spell Shield. Okay, I have to get the armor going. Let's get Rage, even though this thing's gonna live and eat this stupid morsel. That was kind of stupid of me. Okay, that was very stupid of me. Just you wait until I get a good Transcend Imp. I do have one more of these. This isn't enough to win the fight. At all. Okay, end the turn. Wait until I get my endless Transcend Imps. Okay, this thing's dying. This thing's dying. That is good. This is bad. How do I kill off those back imps? Mistakes were made. I do have room for 3 imps on this floor. That's good. This thing has too much HP. I'm gonna have to be able to kill this back unit that has 2 HP. That should be doable. I do not know how I deal with this 180 HP unit. Huh. That's a problem. Why wouldn't I place this imp first? Don't know. Okay, 180. That's still a major problem. Second Transcend Imp. So I will need the energy to play that. That makes Perils a little bit tricky. Getting the space on this floor would be nice. To kill that back one. Okay, I do want the space here. Rage Imp out front. $100 HP remain. This floor is a problem. 5 damage, 2 hits. Huh. 9 damage. Yeah, this floor's a pretty big problem. One of these lives if I play 2 of these up here. I know I'm getting my endless in. So if I put this down, hit, hit. I have to give this armor if I want it to live. Do I want it to live? Maybe? If it lives, it does 33 damage to this front one. That feels kind of necessary. Oh, right, that gives you 10 armor. I still think that was necessary. End the turn. Okay. So this would give me a lot of rage. Could give me a lot of rage and a lot of armor on this floor if I'm willing to just let this go up. I think that's actually the correct play. Put this in the back. It did not give as much armor as I would have liked. It did a good amount of damage to this. Now, God, this thing's taking 44? This gaining armor doesn't matter. Why wouldn't I play this Rage Imp first? Who knows? Who knows why I do the things that I do? hopefully... Would this survive the hits to get the lifesteal going? I think it has to. If I get some more armor, which I can only really do with my Fortify. With Crucible Extension, no. Actually, 4 Ember Drain. I should have 1 Ember. That wasn't too bad for the Pyre. I have 0 Ember. I was wrong. I thought that you ate 2 morsels that gave me Ember. Crap. Okay, fun turn. Okay. 13 damage, 664 HP. I need Crucible Extension and my armor card. I got them both. And I got Perils of Production, which is what I actually needed. Okay. You do 13 damage, you have regen. But these two need to die somehow. They need to die. They're not gonna die. But they need to die. $13 damage, 9 how is this even living? To get 1 hit, it's not getting 1 hit. These 2 imps in the back are getting a hit. You do have damage shields. Does the raid? I think the rage imp still makes more sense on this floor. With this, my big one will get a hit. 423 damage. Okay, so now, 13 into this. 9, 13 into this. 9. God, if I could snipe these back too. Which I cannot. You're eating the morsel. That was stupid to put this in front. I could have gotten an extra damage shield, which would have helped. Would he have helped? Yeah. This thing's gonna be doing 23 damage per hit to my Pyre. Okay. Lifesteal. Does lifesteal help? Having 8 of it actually does. It actually does not, because I only have 25 HP, and these do 18 plus 18, 36. Perfect. 18 into this. 9 into this. 9 into this. I was looking for a plus damage shield. I'm getting 3 hits off on this, I think. 3 times 6 is another 18 damage. This thing tanks a hit, and it gives me 6 more damage. Because this tanks the hit, I think it's better than the morsel. 18, 9. Damage shield. Damage shield, damage shield. Damage shield. The lifesteal's gonna be used up. So I'm doing 118. 148. I think that was better than using the morsel. I'm getting 1 extra attack off, I believe. Pyre dies. Wait, 3 hits. No. I would have needed to do 4 hits, and I didn't even get close to that. That was painful. It was especially painful because I had Transcend Imp. I should have tried harder to make it work. Maybe I shouldn't have played that first one. I should have built my floors different. Alright, for now, that does it for this video. Thanks for watching.